What's up guys, this is Sean Tan and today we're going to do again a little bit something because a friend of mine invited me to go and check out some landed properties in Kota Damansara. So, did you know that Kota Damansara has a forest reserve? The only Kota Damansara that I know is like Sunway Giza, Sagi College, Tropicana Medical Centre, that kind of area which is so atas and so congested, right? IKEA and stuff. But then I didn't know there's a place that is so serene and so nice to live in. So let's go check it out. So there will be 2 stops today. We are now at the first stop at Bayu Perdana Section 11. Check out the B-roll. What's up guys? So I was not like I can't talk in front of the owner, in front of the camera, but then just in conclusion, we visited the first house. It's a corner terrace unit and it's 22 by 75 standard, but because it's a corner, so it's like 40 frontage. So this particular unit itself, right, it's so cool that the owner really makes a difference. He put in around like 600,000 just for renovation. Okay, so he bought this in 2012, 1.2 million, and he put in 600,000 cash for renovation. And you can see from the B-roll just now that the toilets are so furnished, the windows are bulletproof, the kitchen, the chandeliers, the lights, the pool outside. It's a 5+1 bedroom unit. And all comes with their own ensuite toilets. Also, it's located off main road a bit where it's like proximity to all the things that we just mentioned, the Curve and the IKEA, the Bandar Utama 1U, all these kind of places. And if you can check out the view, right, here it's all greeneries and it's next to the security guard, so some may see it as a good thing, some may see it as a bad thing. Then there's some gardens around, then there's playgrounds around. So, and it's next to the Rimba Reserve, which is the forest reserve in Kota Damansara. That's why the air is also quite different. This area. Now we are heading for point number 2. Look guys, I'm not in a hotel, but this is a person's homeowner. So this is a bungalow. So check it out, it looks like a whole villa for vacation. It's so cool. So short and take 3 on 3. So the 3 things I like, number 1 would be location itself. So now Kota Damansara is actually very connected to the rest of the world, which is like Bandar Utama, and now with Kwasa Land developing the old frame, so this area is also so connected to the upcoming development, which gives it more potential for growth. Point number 2 would be Dash Highway is also upcoming, and that part of town is also under development, which makes it more connected. Besides having IKEA, the Curve, Bandar Utama, Damansara Uptown, and all this kind of stuff, so it's superb. Then point number 3 would actually be the residential and the forest reserve behind. If you can see, you can actually hear the birds chirping. Yeah, so it's a very rare that you have urbanization at one side that is so strong, so developed, but also serenity and calmness in this side of the town. That's why a lot of people don't really know Hutan Rimba in Kota Damansara, so that's why I purposely chose this project to actually be featured in this episode. 3 things I wish would be better. Number 1 would be the leasehold title. Leasehold title, unfortunately, I think around this area would be 60 to 50 years left, which makes financing a bit more difficult. Number 2 would actually be the Bumi quota allocation by the state government. So now rumors are saying that it's not written in the title, but as long as a Bumi person or a Bumi buyer buys or holds a title, it automatically becomes a Bumi lot, and it requires state consent to be released. So which makes it a bit more sticky, and it's tough for both owners and buyers. And then houses in these areas, because of the serenity and exclusivity, right? They're asking for 2.2 million, 3 million, 4 million around this area, which is quite exorbitant in price. But oh well, but this is luxury segment, so I'm not in that category yet. So I think that's all for this episode. If you really like this video, like it, share it, and even subscribe for more information like this. Until next time, I will see you guys soon. Ciao.